A new generation of digital infrastructure is forming. Across the globe, shared networks are being built to securely exchange and verify critical information. This is Alké Network, a shared institutional trust layer, built so African institutions can evaluate distributed ledger technology on their own terms. Instead of adopting a foreign standard after the rules are already written, Alké allows your leadership to measure the exact business value of this technology and help shape its infrastructure without risking live data, funds, or operational stability. Major organizations around the world are already deploying shared ledgers to handle identity, academic credentials, and asset settlement. Today, workflows rely on disconnected databases. Confirming licenses or settling payments requires constant manual checks, fragmented reconciliations, and slow settlement. Alké provides a shared verification layer. Multiple organizations verify and settle trusted information cleanly, while retaining complete control over private applications and sensitive records. The governance standards for these systems are being written right now. By participating in a shared network today, African institutions ensure they set those rules locally, maintaining strategic sovereignty in the digital economy. Institutional bureaucracy exists for a reason. It is a necessary risk control system that must be respected before any new technology touches a live operation. The Alké Foundation stewards the Alké Institutional Sandbox. It is a strictly controlled 6-month testing environment for your teams to evaluate the system together. The process begins with strict boundaries: no live funds, no sensitive personal records, no token purchase, and no permanent governance obligation. During the testing phase, your teams design and run an active pilot of a specific workflow, operating entirely on synthetic or non-sensitive data. You build internal knowledge about distributed ledgers and test a practical use case, completely insulated from your production systems. This table shows how the sandbox concludes. We compare the pilot's performance directly against your existing administrative baselines, measuring the exact time, cost, and manual steps required. If the shared ledger does not measurably improve your workflow, the pilot has successfully prevented a poor technological investment. If the pilot succeeds, your institution receives a structured readiness assessment. This document details integration needs, compliance observations, and the hard data required for executive decision-making. Scaling the use case to production or applying for a seat on the Mainnet Council are strictly optional next steps. You only move forward if your own evidence supports it. The immediate goal is simply building your institution's capacity to navigate the future. Join the founding network. Begin with an introductory conversation and adopt with confidence.